Hello everyone, good morning to all. Welcome to SCS VAJRA Tutorials. Let us focus on today's word ferocious. It is a adjective. Meaning of ferocious is savagely fierce and cruel or violent. Telugu meaning of ferocious is భయంకరమైన క్రూరమైన. Let us see synonyms antonyms of ferocious. Synonyms are cruel, brutal, and antonyms are gentle, obedient. Let us see sentence example of ferocious. First sentence is their dog is a ferocious creature. Telugu meaning of this sentence is వారి కుక్క భయంకరమైన జీవి. Next sentence, the ferocious lion is chasing a deer. Telugu meaning of this sentence is భయంకరమైన సింహం జింకలను వేటాడుతుంది. Thank you for watching.